Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my Mercedes S63, how I'm going to change the light, the trunk light to LED light. One is on this side and one is on this side. So I'm going to pop these open and it's very easy and simple. And I'm going to change with Ala lighting and I'll provide the link under my description. In order to open it, you need a straight screwdriver and put it underneath and just pop this thing open. And when we pop it open, this is the light, original light. I'm going to take it out. This is the bulb, LEDs. And once you replace it, this is looking so beautiful. And I'm going to put it back in. And now on the other side, I'll do the same thing. From the bottom, pull it out. So once you pop open, then grab the light. Be careful, don't burn yourself. So these are the LEDs. So we're going to insert the LED and look at super bright. And now we're going to put it back in and just snap this in. And look at this, how bright LED light. It's a super bright at night time with the LED. On this side, this is the night time. I wanted to show it to you how the trunk is so lighted. So if you like these LEDs upgrade, for more Mercedes video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.